Hey everybody, I'm Diana Diaz and today I'm bringing you a video that I know you will enjoy. It's about a new system that it's becoming a revolution in the world of nail care and decoration called PolyGel. PolyGel is a new system that can be defined as a hybrid between acrylic and gel and that allows us to make nail extensions, considering that it's a material that is not as strong in odor as the acrylic because it doesn't need a monomer, and that is not as liquid as gel, even though it also requires a lamp to dry. This system has been a revolution that has become a very good idea since the consistency is really thick and this allows us to shape the nail before curating it in the lamp. A question that has been asked a lot on the question section is if this product is available or how to get it, considering that it is really high price in other countries precisely because it's new, it's a novelty. Some of you have written asking how to get it in Colombia and how to get it at a better price. The thing is that it actually hasn't arrived to Colombia yet. It will be here really soon, but meanwhile, I'm going to teach you how to make PolyGel at home. So don't miss this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So this is the first thing. In order to make PolyGel at home, we will need transparent or clear construction gel. This gel is the same one we use to make gel nails or gel extensions, the one that needs a lamp to dry. Be aware that the container must not be totally full, because when we add the second ingredient, it will become really full and we want to avoid spilling the content. The second ingredient is the acrylic powder that will ultimately give us the PolyGel consistency. For each gram of construction gel, we add 2 measures, as the one we have here, of acrylic powder. That is, if we have 4 grams in the container, we must add 8 measures with the tool we are using. The acrylic dust must be added little by little so we can easily mix everything. You can use any brand of acrylic powder and you can mix brands without a problem, since we are making a hybrid between acrylic and gel. You can also add any color you like and a little glitter if you want. Every time you add more acrylic powder, the mix will become thicker. Remember that when you finish, the final mixture should not fall from your mixer or your mixing tool. Also remember that the resulting mixture will last as long as you want and as long as you have it closed with the lid of the container and in a place where it's not affected by heat or water. For this particular mixture, I added a bit of natural rose acrylic powder, and that's how I obtained this color. I also did a test using a white color powder. You can try mixing it with the different colors you already have. Now we will begin with the process of preparation of the nail, and we'll do it just as if we are preparing it to apply acrylic or gel. First, we will push the cuticle and then we will clean the surface with an 150 nail file. We will do this to allow the nail to become fit to apply the PolyGel. Then we will wipe out all the dust and clean very well the surface of the nail so there is no moisture left on it. We will continue applying a pH leveler product. So the first test that we will have today is a sculptural shape to make a sculpted nail. We will begin by putting the form on the nail. Now, with a spatula, we will take a small amount of PolyGel. We'll take it and place it on the rim of the nail. You will notice that the mixture hasn't moved not one little bit. We will place it on the nail, and the only way to mold it, to shape it, is by using a brush, precisely because the mixture doesn't move. To shape it, we will use alcohol and a nylon gel brush. You will only need to put a little bit of alcohol on the brush and just shape the nail as you wish. To wash the brush, use alcohol as well, and do this procedure every time you feel the brush too sticky. We will place a second pearl, smaller than the first, on the cuticle area. We will shape it and join it with the first pearl we placed. One of the advantages of the PolyGel is that it doesn't use monomer. That becomes a problem since there are people allergic to that component, and on the other hand, it doesn't have any smell at all. Since we are using alcohol, you really won't notice any smell at all. As you can see, the mixture doesn't move, so you can actually take all the time you need to shape the nail. You will also notice that it's really easy to shape. Once the nail is shaped and assembled, we will take it to the lamp to dry. Remember to use a UV or LED lamp to dry the nails, approximately for 60 seconds. Once we have finished the curating process, we will eliminate the shape and will begin to file the nail. We will shape it using an 150 nail file. So after we finish the initial nail filing, we will take away the dust and begin to file the nail using an 180 nail file that is much softer and that will leave the surface totally smooth. Once we have the nail ready, we will take away any remaining dust and impurities with a surface cleaner or some alcohol. We will finally apply a gel shine to seal the surface, and we will take it to the lamp for 1 minute. And that's it, we have our PolyGel nails with a sculptural shape, and as you can see, is really beautiful and really easy to make. Now, in the second part, we will see how to make a dual nail. First, we will use the spatula to take a little bit of our PolyGel and we'll take it to our dual system mold and place it on the free rim of the nail. Since we already took the respective measures of the nail, we will shape it accordingly. We will drag the PolyGel to the cuticle area with the help of the brush and some alcohol to fill the whole area. Take as long as you need since the PolyGel doesn't move while you are shaping it. Also, make sure that it's correctly done before putting it on top of the nail. Now we will polish the free rim of the nail and place the mold on top of the natural nail, securing the cuticle area first and making a little bit of pressure on the nail. Remember not to press very hard or the product will come out from the bottom. Make sure that the cuticle area is free of product and take the nails to the lamp with the mold still on. Take them to the lamp for at least 60 seconds. Once the time has passed, we will slowly remove the mold and the nail will be just perfect. Now I'll just file the nail on the edges and the lateral parts so the shape is perfect. We will remove the dust with a surface cleaner and apply some gel shine or a normal coat or polish. What you wish to apply depends on the final result you want to obtain. Since I applied a gel shine, I will take the nails to the lamp for another 60 seconds, and this is the result, a perfect polygel nail using a dual system. Now, our last way to use the polygel is with the use of a tip. First, we will stick the tip on top of the nail and we'll take a small amount of polygel with our spatula. We'll take it to the tension area, that is, the area where the nail unites with the tip, and we will begin shaping it, making a small coat simply using the brush and some alcohol. You must remember that if you keep your polygel with a lid for the container, it will not dry. And you must also remember that you probably have the ingredients to make the polygel nails in your working table, since the acrylic and the gel are fundamental for our label. So don't wait any longer and try your own homemade polygel. According to the tests that I have been able to do, the homemade polygel lasts as much as acrylic or gel nails. But the advantage is that the filing is really softer. Now you will make your own tests and let me know how does it go and what are some possible variations that you find on the way. Of course, the results will vary depending on the different brands you use. About the removal and the retouch, we will do the same procedures that we do with the acrylic nails and the gel nails. For the retouch, we'll just file the cuticle area and add a small polygel pearl. For the removal, we will use acetone or your usual removing technique. And that is all. I hope you liked this little experiment. I really enjoyed it a lot, and I believe the nails look absolutely perfect. They are easy to make, the polygel is easy to shape, and it doesn't produce any smell. I invite you to do it, to make your own experiments, and I hope you tell me on the comments below how does it go. So I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!